My bike just shut off. Here, pull up. What up, YouTube? Welcome to a supermoto video. It's been a while, right? I'm going to show you kind of what has been going on with this little girl since you last seen it. Obviously, cosmetics being a big one, and then this little guy being another good one. But first, I'm gonna go ride.
Keep it early, but I'm here night. Long and short to keep the head right. Teed up out in Malibu, got sand all.
Oh my God! All I hear is two-stroke in my ear.
Came for the good news. I am the show that they came for. Hitting the target I aimed for.
Let's go. This is gonna be 100% hooning, so demonetized goodness.
We've been discussing the contract. Just tell them they get what they paid for. I am not fucking with poverty.
So what's happening?
Really, it started to bother me. I need the yacht with the property. They come with the view that you gotta see.
Oh, but unpredictable, not knowing what these motherfuckers gonna do. I know this route. Come on, we're going left right here.
Hit the rooftop with a passion. Bad bitch with some good credit and a good sense for the fashion.
The two-stroke where
with
it's
the
at.
left hand, ass gripping with the right hand. Uber share to the airport. I'ma hit you back with my flight land. No move for a switch.
You're good if you want to. Wait. Now you got two-stroke next to you. He's up your butthole. Don't slow down. Go faster. He's coming right for you, Lewis.
Wait for some no-handers.
No-handers? All right. Good luck, man. You got a two-stroke up your booty hole. Oh, this is fun. This is something different.
You just gotta watch your two-strokes.
Or you can hear them. Like, I just don't know if they're next to me or 6 miles away. Yeah, exactly.
I can't do no trying to leave that gun around. In my teens, we were acting up and running around. Now we're grown, to get to it. On the ground from January to January. Never met nobody who retired when they were young.
This whole video is just gonna be a whole bunch of two-stroke sound effects.
Guess I gotta get it to the cemetery.
My eardrums are done. There you go, go ahead, you go ahead. Oh my God. I should have brought like Excedrin on this ride. What a night. I'm trying to get by. He's just he's very aggressive with his moves. There you go, he went left. I found my hole. Oh wait, now he's back. I think I'm good. Oh, look at go! Yeah, it's like fucking, where's that, Egypt where they hang out the cars? Oh, there's a cop right there. I just said that. Oh, Lewis, stuck alive. I got plates. I got you, man. You hide behind that camouflage. I'll hide the dirt bikes. So far, a little bit different than our normal rides. I'm just not feeling the scrapes. Are you behind me? There's a lot going on here. Oh my God. Look at her go. They're out of control. 4 people hanging out. Who's driving? Little no-hander to the stop sign. Look at that. Uh-oh. Damn, old school bike. Damn, old bike getting it. Yeah, kinda. Oh shit, we're turning? I get it. Oh, it turned on this one.
It's too late, I returned.
Oh, fuck. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Right here?
Where's right here? You stopping? Huh? Hello?
Where you go?
I'm right here. Is this, can I turn left here? I can't tell. Oh, you guys are over there. Alright, taking a break. So, are you on speaker? Oh, why don't you use your words? Why'd this shit just shut off?
What do you mean?
My bike just shut off. What the fuck? Here, pull up. We're gonna get robbed, bro. There's nothing, bro.
You don't got no tools, do you?
I don't have tools. It's like the battery just came off.
Yeah. Oh, there goes fuse.
Starter broke? Off?
Yep.
Bingo. And they're like somewhere. Oh, up and grounded.
Turn it off.
There you go. Get my plastic. Why'd I pop a fuse?
I don't know.
That's not good. It's gonna be mid-wheelie. Oh, look, it's popping. The lights just went out. My dash is like gone. It's almost like the battery's dead. Look at it. No, I turned it off. It's on now, but it's low. It's like the stator's not charging. That means the battery's gonna die soon. Let's get the fuck out of here and you start heading back to the lot where Rookie has a car. I mean, besides the electrical, I just think the battery's gonna, I think it's on the battery right now and not the stator or something. Like, I feel like it's gonna die out soon.
It would shut off again.
I think your fuse is popping with something to do with your taillight.
Why?
It's being wonky.
It blinks. It's an integrated one on the brake. Is it low?
It's not,
Like right on the brake.
it's not working.
It's a taillight.
Yeah, it's integrated. It's like that stupid one.
No, it's not. It's not working.
Shit.
Oh, it's just on. Oh, it's doing like bat signals and shit.
Yeah, it's low. You got a low battery for some reason.
All right, we should start heading back towards the lot.
Yeah.
Hey, we're gonna head back to the lot. The lot. This thing's gonna, it's on the battery right now. It's not on the stator. It's gonna die. You wanna push me? It's heavier. What do you want, bro? Big bike life. Groms never fucking die. You put a fucking Suzuki. I mean, there's like 4 DRZs here, so I can just steal shit. All right, so what I was saying, guys, is this bike is mint now. Well, at least she was. Dude, she broke my fairings, bro.